Okay, so boleh nampak saya punya screen?
Boleh.
Yeah. Okay, for your information, okay, I already key in the test 1 marks. Okay, you can check on this map. Okay, in your map. Okay, later I will upload your answer sheet in the authors. Okay, after I finish the class. Okay. Once I upload your answer sheet, okay, please count the mark. Okay. If I count the extra, then yang sepatutnya, then that will be your rezeki. Okay. If less than what you're supposed to get, so let me know. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so today we are going to continue our lectures on the Laplace transform. Okay, this will not be your final topic in Laplace. We have a last topic is about the applications of Laplace transform in circuit theory. Okay, so okay, this Laplace transform for non-continuous function. Okay, mostly you will use it in later when you learn the signal and system. Okay, so signal and system, you will see a lot of how you going to make what we call it, you make operations of the signal. Okay, signal and system is you will play around with the continuous signal. Okay, which is a 3-domain signal, signal yang berterusan. Okay, it's a periodic signal or whatever it called a continuous signal. Okay, then after you take a signal system, you will learn about the digital signal processing. Okay, signal and system is a prerequisite for digital signal processing. For DSP, okay, you will play around with the digital signal. Okay, you're not going to look at the continuous signal anymore for digital signal processing. Okay, so the basic, okay, for signal and system and the digital signal processing, okay, usually they have a Laplace transform, Fourier transform. Okay, that one.
Madam,
Yes, saya.
sorry interrupt.
Okay.
Kawan saya nak masuk.
Ada lagi nak masuk Okay. Okay. So usually for signal system, okay, you will learn next semester, I think, Laplace transform and also Fourier transform for continuous signal. Okay, and then the following semester, you will learn in DSP, digital signal processing, Fourier transform, but that one for discrete Fourier transform. Okay, and also the Z transform. Okay. Okay, so we just continue. Okay, Laplace transform for non-continuous function. So we have 4 functions for this topic. Okay, we have a step function, unit step function, impulse function, and periodic functions. Okay. Okay. So this graph, okay, is one example of a step function. Okay, so what is a step function? step function, or we call it a piecewise function. Okay, which means they have a limitation for each signal. Okay, so let's say you see, you look at this example. Okay, you have a one one RAM signal here. This one we call it RAM signal. Okay, this RAM signal. Okay, and also you have a step signal here. Okay, so for this signal, RAM signal, okay, if you okay, if you write the function, okay, ft, so what will be the function? Okay, what will be the equation for this function? Okay, so this function, it has a two equations. Okay, from 0 to 3, you have one function, and then greater than 3, you have another function. Okay, so what is the function for this RAM signal? What is the function of this? You have to find the M, right? Dia punya kecerunan M, right? M is defined as, this one will be x2, y2, and this one is your x1, y1. Okay, so what is M? M is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Right? Am I right? Betul tak?
Yeah, correct.
Yes. Okay. And then what is your x2? Right. What is your y2? Okay, I write the coordinate. X2 is 3,
C.
y2 is 6. Okay. And x1 is 0, y1 also 0. Here, this point. This point and this point. Okay. So you have y2 minus y1, so 6 minus 0 divided by x2, 3 minus 0. Then your M is equals to 2. Okay. Okay. So the equation is, this one I think you learn, I'm not sure which tingkatan berapa you belajar kan. Y equals to mx plus c. This is your M, this is your pintasan Y. Okay. So if you take this point, okay, x0, y0. Okay, so you have here is, okay, y equals to, m is to 2x plus c. We want to find what is c. Okay, so you can take any point, it's either this point or this point. You will get the same c. Okay, so, okay, I take this point. Okay, so this one is x equals to 3, y equals to 6. So I put it in this equations. Okay, so you have y equals to 2x plus c. Okay, so I just rearrange the equations. C, because we want to find c, so c equals to y minus 2x. Okay, just put y inside this equation, x inside this equations, you will get 6 minus 2 times 3, you will get 0. Okay, so c is 0. Then your y is actually equals to 2x. Or in this example, y is ft. So ft equals to 2 and your x-axis is t. So you just replace x with t, 2t. So you have here is ft equals to 2t. You have a range here from 0 to 3 only. Okay, so this one will be start from 0, okay, less or equals and oh sorry, equals to less or equals to 3. Okay, so this equations is for this signal. Okay, and then we have another equation here. Boleh interrupt saya bila-bila kalau you all tak faham Okay, the second equation is from here. So this one is YTFT equals to what? This one. FT equals to this one. Okay, if you have a signal like this one is 2. Okay.
Doktor,
Ya saya.
tak faham kan yang lepas dapat bentasan Y kat atas tu.
Hmm.
Yang lepas dapat bentasan Y tu buat macam mana FT 2T tu?
Okay, so okay, this one you get this C, right? C is 0. Betul?
Betul.
Okay, C 0. Kalau you masukkan, if you put the 0 inside these equations, it will be Y equals to 2x, right? Betul tak?
Betul.
Because this one is 0. Okay, so you have Y equals to 2x. So what is Y? Y is this exists, right? Betul tak? Betul tak?
Betul.
Okay, so what is the label for this Y axis here? It's a FT. Okay, so you just replace FT at this Y. Okay, so you have here is FT. Okay, equals to 2. This X is a X axis here. The horizontal part. So what is the label for this horizontal? Is T. So you replace X with T.
Okey, baik, faham.
Faham
Faham.
Okay. Okay. Then this one, okay, tadi yang sambung yang ni Okay. This Y, okay. So what is the equation for this Y? This Y is equals to 2. For T greater or equals to 0. Kan? Betul tak? Y equals to 2 when T equals to 0 and ke atas. Betul? Betul? Betul?
Betul.
Betul. Okay. So, same to this signal. Okay. So, this one, okay, is FT equals to minus 1, right? FT equals to minus 1 for T greater or equals to 3. Right.
Doktor kenapa negatif 1
Negative 1 because this one is negative 1. Okay, let's say you have this one okay, saya bagi contoh lagi Mana sini padam. Okay, let's say you have this one, gx equals to what? Equals to minus 2 for t greater or equals than 2. So what will be your graph? It's a minus 2, right? So your graph will be, okay, sorry, it will be, okay, this one t, this one gx. Okay, so minus 2, minus 1, minus 2. Okay, when it start? When it, t is equals than 2 and above. Okay, so you have 1, 2. So which means you will start from here. This will be your graph. Boleh nampak tak? Boleh faham tak?
Doctor, can you explain the graph again?
Which graph?
The graph doctor draw again.
Hmm?
The graph doctor draw again. GX.
Gx. Okay. So this gx, okay. Okay, this gx is equals to minus 2 for t greater or equals than 2. Okay, so your graph will be, this is your gx, okay, and this is your t. Okay, so gx is minus 2. It should be somewhere around here, right? Minus 1, minus 2. Okay, and then you look at here, t is greater or equals than 2. So the signal will start from 2. 1, 2. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay, doctor.
Okay.
Doktor,
Ya, saya.
nak tanya macam yang dekat example 15 ni, macam mana yang second equation tu dapat negatif 1?
Negative 1 because here is negative 1 here. This value is minus 1.
Daripada graf
Ya, daripada graph.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Okay.
Terima kasih.
Okay, sama. Okay, so this equation will be ft equals to 2t for t greater or equals to 0 and less than 3, and ft equals to minus 1 for t greater or equals than 3. Okay. Ada soalan tak nak tanya ni? Any question? No. Tak ada.
Doktor,
Ya, saya.
macam mana nak baca yang t less than 3 bigger than 0 tu?
Yang mana yang ni yang pertama
Yang pertama tu.
Okay, yang pertama awak tengok dekat sini Okay, this one. Okay, signal awak dalam range ni kan 0 hingga 3. Betul? Okay. Okay, so dia akan start. Okay, so dia akan start from 0. Memang dia akan start from 0. Okay, and this one. Okay, dia akan stop somewhere sebelum 3. Okay. And yang kedua, signal kedua ni, okay, so it will start from 3. Dia akan start exactly from 3 and above. Always remember that if you have two, because here you have at this point, you have two signal, right? This one, this point, and this point. Okay, so always remember this one is less than, this one was equals. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so once you get the equation for the signal, okay, we can find the Laplace transform. Okay, so for this Laplace transform, okay, we will use the definitions of Laplace transform. Okay, so we'll use the definitions of Laplace transform for these two signals. Okay, so definitions of Laplace is Fs equals to, you integrate from 0 to
Infinity.
infinity exponent minus st, okay, times with ft dt. Okay, and your ft here is, you have two, right? One is a 2t, okay, for 0, okay, and minus 1 for t greater or equals to 3. Okay, okay, so your fs will be, okay, you will make a two integration. Okay, so the first one start from 0 to 3, okay, exponent minus st times with 2t, right? Because your ft here is 2t from 0 to 3. Okay, okay,
Okay.
okay, and then you, okay, this one is dt, okay, plus with the second signal is start from, the second signal start from
3
3 until
infinity.
infinity. Okay, because it doesn't state the range. It only mentioned where the signal start. Okay. Okay, so exponent minus st times with ft. What is ft?
-1.
Yes, 1 dt. Okay. Okay, then kita susun we arrange this. Okay, so these two you can bring to the front. So you have now 2 integrate 0 to 3 t exponent minus st. This one minus you bring here, so minus 3 infinity exponent minus st dt. Okay, and then, okay, this one you have to use the tabular integration. Okay, so you have a t and then you have an exponent minus st. Okay, okay, so t, you differentiate t, what do you get? 3t t. Awak dapat? Awak dapat? Integrate, sorry, differentiate t. You differentiate t, you get? You differentiate t, what do you get? 0?
1.
1. You get 1. Okay. And then you integrate, integrate pula. You differentiate 1, what you get?
0.
0. Okay. And this exponent minus st, you integrate this one, you will get
Negative e minus st over
negative e minus st over s.
s.
Okay. And then you integrate again this one, you will get
E
exponent
minus st over s square.
over s square. Okay. Okay, then apa kita nak buat? You have here 2 and then this t times with this, right? Okay, so you will get minus t times with e minus st over s. Okay, and then this one, okay, minus exponent minus st over s square. Okay, and then you have here 0 to 3 minus with this one. You differentiate this one, you will get exponent minus st divided by s. Sorry, you have minus here from 3 to infinity. Betul? Betul?
Betul.
Okay. Then kita gantikanlah t. We replace t with this 0, 3, 3 infinity. Then you will get 2. Okay. So minus t minus 3 exponent minus 3s divided by s minus exponent minus 3s divided by s square. Okay. And then minus t0. So this one 0. Minus plus with exponent 0 over s square. Okay. Okay, and then minus exponent minus infinity over s. Okay, minus plus with exponent minus 3s over s. Okay. Okay, so this one exponent 0 is 1, exponent minus infinity is 0. Okay, so this one will be, okay, you darabkan lah we multiply this one, so you have here is minus 6 exponent minus 3s divided by s. This one minus 2 exponent minus 3s over s square plus with 2 times 1, so 2 over s square. Okay. Minus, okay, this one 0. Okay, this one is minus exponent minus 3s over s. Okay, so you have here s, so minus 6 minus 1, you have minus 7 exponent minus 3s divided by s. So s square here, but this one no exponent. So you 2 exponent minus 3s over s square plus 2 over s square. So this is your answer. Okay. Any question? Ada soalan? Ada soalan? Tak ada? No question?
Ada doktor.
Tak ada clear? Okay. So next is a unit step function. Okay, so this unit step function is a very basic function that you will use in signal and system. Okay. So what is the unit step function? Okay, so how we write the unit step function? Okay, it can be h t minus a or u t minus a. This signal is actually the same, only the notation is different. Okay, so in this course, we will use a ht minus a. However, next semester, once you take a signal and system, you will use a ut minus a. Okay, so this is the same signal as this one. The difference is only the notation. How we write the equation of the function. Okay, so ht minus a. Okay, if you have a ht or you have a ut, okay, this is the same. So the signal is, this is a t. So your signal is like this, 1. Unit step, the amplitude is always 1. If you look at here 2 ut, so it is understood that the amplitude is 1. Unless they put as a 2 ut, then the amplitude will be 2. Okay? And the signal will start from 0. Okay? Okay? Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. This one is a ht or ut. Okay? If you have a signal like a ht minus a. So this signal is actually, okay, the basic signal is like this. This one 0, this one 1. Okay? Okay, this is the basic signal. If you have a ht minus a, that means your signal is shifted. We shift this signal. Okay, sekejap saya pakai color lain. Okay, this is the signal. Okay, so this is the signal. Okay, so this is not this one. This is a ht or ut. Okay, it will start from 0. If you have a t minus a, okay, that means you shift the signal. Okay, so t minus a, you shift the signal to this side. Okay, sebanyak a. So the original signal will be the shifted signal will be start from here. So this one will shifted to here. Okay, so everything shifted. Okay, that's why, okay, you have a ht minus a. It's like this. You start from a to infinity. Okay, faham? Understand?
Faham.
Faham Okay. Okay. So, okay, look at this example. Okay, we have a 3 signal. Okay, we have a ft equals to 3, and then we have a ft equals to ht minus 2, and also the last one is ft equals to t times with ht minus 2. Okay, so we sketch for the first one. Okay, first one is t. Okay, this one is ft. Okay, ft equals to t. T is a ramp signal. Okay, which means you have a, if I transform in the linear equations, okay, you have a y equals to m x plus c. Okay, so in these equations you have a ft equals to t. Okay, which means m equals to 1, betul? And c is 0. Okay, so you have here, if t equals to 1, what will be your ft? If t equals to 1, what is a ft? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5?
1.
1 because ft equals to t. Okay, so this one 1. If t equals to 2, then your ft also equals to 2. Okay, so you have here. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
boleh.
Okay. Okay, so this signal will be up to infinity because there is no limit here. Okay. Okay, and then the second one is ft t. Okay, ft equals to ht minus 2. So your signal will start from 1, 2. Right. Betul?
So,
Betul eh? So this one will be ht minus 2. Okay. 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 And the last one is ft equals to t. This t times with this signal. This signal times with this signal. Okay. So this one. This one. Okay. Okay. So what will be your answer? Ini macam tak saya punya graf ni tak ni tak on point. Tak tepat Shh. Mana mama tahu? Hafiz keluar lah sayang. Keluar lah. Okay, pergi baca kat luar. Cepat mama kelas. Keluar. Hafiz. Lagi. Okay. So you have here, okay, t times ht minus 2. So this signal times with this signal. Okay. So what will be your answer? Okay. So here, this signal times with 0. So 0, right? Apa-apa darab dengan 0 is 0. Betul? Am I right? This okay, so this one 0. Okay, so your signal will start from here, from 2 and above. Okay, so this signal, okay, is actually it times with 1. So bila darab dengan 1, it will get the original signal balik kan? Dia akan dapat signal ni juga kan? Betul? Right. A times 1, you get A. Right. Betul? Betul Dia macam ni.
Betul.
Betul Faham So make sure you faham because this multiplication, these operations, you will use in signal and system later on. Okay, so make sure you know how the operations is done. Okay. Okay, so this green signal is this signal. Okay. Ada soalan tak?
Doktor yang dekat 1 tu tak payah
Dekat satu tak payah sebab sini kosong. Okey, signal yang kedua tak ada nilai kan sebelum 2.
Oh, okey.
Jadi dia signal ni darabkan dengan kosong, so kosong. Okey?
Madam,
Dia
boleh ulang balik tak? Saya tak berapa nak faham lah yang sebab kan 2 tu tak start daripada 1. So itulah. So saya tak berapa nak faham sangat graf ni.
graf yang mana?
yang ni yang THT tolak 2 tu.
Yang atas ke yang bawah?
Yang bawah.
Yang bawah. Yang ini tadi faham tak?
Dia faham sikit-sikit macam tu lah. Dia macam confused ada macam tu lah.
Kalau H T tolak 2, maksudnya awak punya A tu nilai dia 2.
Okay.
Okay. So, signal awak akan jadi start from 2.
Maknanya dia terus ambil daripada nilai A dia tu je lah, signal dia tu.
Nilai A mana?
Tak, maksudnya macam kalau kita nak buat signal ni, kita tengok nilai A dia berapa, lepas tu terus ambil je daripada macam tu
Ya, dia start. Dia start daripada A tu berapa?
So maknanya kalau kita nak tentukan dia punya Y dia berapa, tengok T tu madam.
Y mana?
Yang 2, lepas tu kan madam tarik naik atas, lepas tu madam tarik sebelah kanan kan. Dia punya graf bawah yang madam buat ni.
Okay, itu maksudnya you tak faham dia punya basic lagi. So basic dia, okay. So basic dia, awak tengok basic signal is a HT, is a unit step ataupun UT. Okay, so kalau you tengok UT or HT punya ni, okay, the signal will be like this. This is T, this is 0, this is 1. So this is this signal punya graph. Okay, UT or HT. Okay, if you have a H, T minus A, which means this signal ni, this signal, okay, is shifted, kita shiftkan dia ke kanan, shifted to the right, okay, ke kanan, here, sebanyak A. Okay, so the shifted signal will be, okay, this signal, semua signal ni di shift terus sampai ke A. Okay, so the whole signal is shifted to this one, to A. Okay, so the green color is a HT minus A. Okay? Okay?
Okay, saya dah faham dah.
Okay, lepas tu, dia ada juga if we shifted to the left, which means our A is minus, nilai dia negatif. Okay, if shifted to the left, okay, okay, this one is minus A. So the whole signal here, the blue signal was shifted to the left, so dia akan jadi here until infinity. Okay, and the equation will be H T plus A. Why? The general equation is H T minus A. If your A is negative, then your equation will be T minus A, right? So H T plus A. Okay, if you see H T plus A, that means your signal is shifted to the left. Okay? Kalau
Okay.
jumpa okay, H
Ah.
T plus A maksudnya dia ke kiri. Kalau T minus A dia ke kanan. Okay.
Okay,
So ini basic dia. Kena faham yang ni dulu.
Okay. Faham.
Okay. Faham
Faham.
Okay, kalau faham baru you faham yang ini. Okay. So yang ini, this one F T equals to T. So F T equals to T adalah yang ini. Kan? Okay.
Oh, dia jadi zero macam tu sebab dia tak ada nilai A kan? Betul?
Ya.
Dia tak ada dia punya
Betul. Ini adalah equation dia. F T equals to T.
so dia jadi graf macam tu sebab dia tak ada macam T tolak A tu tak ada kan? Sebab tu graf dia jadi macam tu.
Bila ni dia akan start from zero. Ini linear equation.
Okay.
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 Okay. Okay, ini linear equation so dia akan start daripada zero. Okay. Yang kedua, kita ada HT minus 2. Okay, signal ni dia akan start daripada 2. So, dia akan start from 2. Okay, so HT minus 2, that means it will start from 2 until infinity. Straight saja nilai dia, 1. Okay, and the third one is T times HT minus 2. This signal times with this signal. Okay, so once you darabkan signal 1 dengan signal 2, okay, this part is 0. So automatic this part will be 0. Okay, so you okay, so this one will be 0 and your signal will start from 2 because at this 2 you have a signal, okay, nilainya 1. So anything times with 1 dia akan ada nilai, dia akan dapat balik diri dia. Okay, so this one. Okay. Okay. So your final signal will be this one. This signal for T, H, T minus 2. Okay.
Okay, madam.
Okay. Faham Okay.
Madam,
Ya saya.
nak tanya yang graf tadi.
Okay.
Kan dia start dekat T2 kan? So dekat FT tu dia start dekat 2 juga ke?
FT mana? Yang mana?
Yang paksi FT tu. Kan 1, 2, 3 kan? So start dia naik tu dekat 2.
Paksi Y
Paksi Y.
Dekat 2 lah sebab 2 dia ada nilai kan. Sini nilai dia 2. 2 darab 1, 2. Lepas tu 3 darab 1, 3. 4 darab 1, 4. Seterusnya.
Oh, okay. Okay, faham.
Okay.
Okay.
Ada soalan lagi? Tak ada? Nanti mama kurang. Okay. So next is we want to change, okay, from step function to unit step function. Okay, ini tak habis saya tulis From step function to unit step function. Okay. Okay. So this one is a step function. This one step function. Okay. So we want to change from this step function to this unit step function. This is unit step function. Okay. So sama juga macam contoh ni. Okay. So this one is a step function. Sebab kita tulis dia dalam bentuk macam ni. We write in this form. Okay. Okay. We can change that one to this step function. Okay. So the step of the procedure to change from step function to unit step functions. Okay. It's like this. Okay. So you have a GT. Okay. Your function is GT. Okay. Actually, you can use anything. It's XT, YT, FT. So any notation is okay. Okay, don't confuse with the GT or ST or whatever. It's the same. Okay. Okay, so you have a GT equals to, okay, now you have two functions of GT. Okay, so G1 where the T is start from 0 to A and G2 is start from A. Okay, so how you want to change them is, first you write a G1, this one is your first equations, plus with G2 minus G1 and H T minus A. Okay. Same if you have a tree function, okay. So you will have a G1 and then G2 minus G1 H T minus A, okay. And then plus G3 minus G2 H T minus B. This one you just have a A. Okay, this one you have a A and B. Okay, so this is how you change from step function to the unit step. Okay. Okay, so kita tengok example ni. So how you're changing from unit step function to the from the step function to the unit step function. Okay, so the step function is stated that you have a ft. Okay, you have two signal here, t square for 0 to 4 and then 4t for t greater than 4. Okay, so if you refer to this step, okay, so it will be G1 plus G2 minus G1 HT minus A. So this FT, okay, will be G1, right? G1 plus G2 minus G1 HT minus A. Okay. Okay, so what is your G1? G1 is T square, betul? So you have a T square plus G2 is 4T minus G1 is T square times with H T minus 4. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. The second one is you have PT. Okay. So PT, if you want to change to the unit step, okay, it will be you have a, sorry bukan saya tak pakai G lah kan, saya pakai P lah kan. So you have PT. Okay, so you have P1 plus G2 minus G1 H T minus A plus G3, oh sorry, sepatutnya P saya dah, sorry. This one will be P1, P2, P1, P3 minus P2, H, T minus B. Okay. So P1 is 2 plus with P2 is T minus P12 H T minus 3 plus with P3 is 1 minus P2 is T H T minus 5. Okay, faham?
Faham.
Faham Okay. Sketch tu nanti you boleh sketch kan? T square is a quadratic, 40 tu dia punya linear function, okay? Okay. Okay, next kita nak tengok, okay, we look at the Laplace transform of unit step function. Okay, for unit step function, the Laplace will be this one, exponent minus as over s. Okay. Okay, so this is the Laplace for unit step function. Okay, for a greater than 0. Okay. Okay, this one is actually ada juga dalam table. Okay, if we look at the table, mana table Laplace saya? Okay, here. This is a unit step. Okay, so the Laplace for unit step is this one, exponent minus as over s. Okay. Okay. Okay, so nanti kita tengok example dia. And then we also have a second shift theorem. Okay, which means our signal is shifted. Okay, if second shift theorem, okay, you have a f t minus a. Okay, your signal will be f t minus a times with h t minus a. Then your Laplace will be exponent minus as. Okay, and then you find the Laplace for ft. Okay, it's the same as the previous example. Okay, not previous example, previous lectures. Okay, if you have a shift theorem, okay, you will have an exponent here. Ingat lagi tak? Tak ingat kena tengok balik Okay. Okay. Okay, tengok example ni Okay, find the Laplace transform using second shift theorem. Okay. Okay. So this one, okay. First you have to change the signal to the unit step. Okay. Ini kita dah ubah tadi kan dekat sini kan. Ni. Okay, so saya tulis balik Ini tadi. Okay, this one. So A will be Ft, okay, equals to T square 40 minus T plus with 4t minus t square h t minus 4. Right. You change this one to the unit step. Okay. Okay. Faham tak?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, then you want to find the Laplace. So you find the Laplace for ft. Okay. And then Laplace for each of these. Okay. Plus with, okay, you find the Laplace for this one also. 4t minus t square. Okay. Times with h t minus 4. Okay. Okay. Okay tak?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. This one you can get the Laplace. This one also you can get the Laplace. Okay. This one Laplace for ft is of course fs, right? This one also you can get from the table. Sekejap saya copy. Keep. Sorry sekejap saya nak cari table tadi. Aku this one. Copy. Okay, so Laplace for ft is fs and Laplace for t square is, you can get direct from here. T square is this one, t power of n. Okay, so n equals to 2, then 2 factorial over s 2 plus 1, right? So 2 over s kuasa 3. Okay, so equals to 2 over s power of 3. Plus with, okay, this one, okay, you cannot get directly from the table. Why? Because you have here ht minus 4. So anything in front of ht minus 4 also must be t minus 4. That means you have to modify this part. You must, okay? So here we have 4t minus t square. Right. And this part we have a h t minus 4, which means anything you must have a t minus 4 here. You cannot use just t and t. Cannot. Okay. It must be t minus 4. So what you need to do is 4 this t times with t, okay, t minus 4 plus with 4. Right. This one. Because we want this one, t minus 4. Okay. Minus 4 plus 4 is 0, betul? Right?
Yes.
Jangan mana oi. Afi, jangan sikit Afi. Betul kan? So you have here t minus 4 plus 4. This one is actually T. Betul? Betul?
Betul.
Ha? Betul kan?
Betul.
Betul Okay, so saya selesaikan yang ini dulu Okay, so kita nak yang ni. We want T minus 4. We want this one only. Mana bukan? This one. Okay, so okay. So you have your 4 T minus 4. Okay, this part. And then plus with 4. Ini times ni you dapat this one. 4 times T minus 4 you get this one. And then 4 times with 4 you get 16. Okay, faham tak ni? Kalau you darab, if you solve this one, okay, you will get 4T, okay, you have 4T, 4 times minus 4, so minus 16 plus with 16. So what you get? 40. You get back this one. Okay. Okay.
Okay, Dika.
Okay, faham Okay, then, okay, 4T, T minus 4. Okay. This one. Okay, next. This one. T square. Okay, T square also we have to modify so that we have T minus 4. So for T square, it will be, this one minus T minus 4 plus 4 square. Okay. This one. Okay. Okay, so this one, okay, you kembangkan dia punya quadratic, so you will get this one minus, okay, minus. This one T minus 4, okay, so you will get a T minus 4 square plus with this one times 4, so you have 4 T minus 4 plus 4 T minus 4 plus 16. Okay, so this one will be, ini faham ini, this one, ini macam you ada, sekejap okay, ini macam satu ungkapan saja. Macam, let's say you put a X equals to T minus 4. Okay, so you gantikan X kat sini, so X plus 4 square. So you kembangkan, you akan dapat X square plus 4X plus 4X plus 16. Then you replace back what is X. So X is T minus 4. So T minus 4 square plus X T minus 4, X T minus 4. Okay. Okay. Faham tak ni?
Okay, Doktor. Okay.
Faham Okay, faham Okay, then Kita kembangkan kita solvekan yang ni. So we have here is 4t minus 4 plus 16. This one minus with t minus 4 square plus plus pula. Minus kan? Minus 4 plus 4 is 8t minus 4 minus 16. Okay. Okay. Kita. Okay. Okay. So 16 cancel kan? 16 minus 16 so cancel. Okay. So you have here minus t minus 4 square. 4 minus 8. So you have a minus 4t minus 4. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Then, okay, baru kita masukkan balik kat sini untuk dapatkan dia punya Laplace. Okay, so from here, okay, we rewrite back the equation. Mana saya punya ni? So, plus, okay, Laplace, okay. From here, you bring back to here, then you will get minus what? Minus t minus 4 square h t minus 4, tak buat pula, t minus 4, and then minus with 4 t minus 4 h t minus 4. This one, okay. From this one, kita buat ni, and then kita dapat ni. Okay, kita masukkan balik kat dalam ni. Okay. So, once your equation is like this, t minus 4, t minus 4, t minus 4, t minus 4, then only you can find the Laplace. If you didn't modify these equations, okay, so your Laplace will be wrong. Okay, absolutely wrong. You have to modify this one so that if you have t minus 4, so this one also t minus 4. If you have t minus a, so here also t minus a. Okay. Okay, so we solve this one. Okay. Laplace. Okay. So minus here saya bring kat luar. I bring this one to the outside. Minus Laplace. Okay. T minus 4 square h t minus 4. Okay. Minus so here will be plus. Right. Betul plus? Sorry. Minus again. Laplace. This one 4 saya bring kat luar. Saya bawa keluar 4. So here will be t minus 4 h t minus 4. Okay. Okay. So kalau you tengok dekat sini, we can use the second shift theorem. Dan soalan dia pun suruh kita pakai second shift theorem. So what is second shift theorem? Okay. Okay, you have ft minus a, ht minus a. So you will have an exponent minus a, and then you find the Laplace of ft. Okay. So this one will be minus. What is a here? What is your a?
4.
A is 4. So exponent minus 4s, right? Okay. You have to find the Laplace of, here is ft minus 4. Okay, ft, what is a ft? What is your ft? 4 we already bring out, so you get the exponent here, right? So your t will be, your ft will be t saja, t square. Okay, minus with 4. Okay, we are using second shift theorem. So this is your A. So you have an exponent minus 4s. And then you have to find the Laplace of ft. So what is ft at this part? What is your ft?
T.
T. Right. Okay. So Laplace for t square is 2 over s power of 3. And Laplace for t is 1 over s square. Okay. So tak muat lah pula. Okay. So your fs ni kita tulis balik So your fs will be 2 over s. Okay. And then minus with minus with so equals to 2 over s kuasa 3 minus exponent minus 4s. So Laplace for t square is 2 over s kuasa 3 minus 4 exponent minus 4s s kuasa 2. Okay, so this is your answer. Okay, faham? Faham tak?
Faham.
Faham. Faham Okay, kalau faham kita tengok example yang kedua. Okay. Sekejap Cancel. Okay. Okay, so the second example is okay. So second example is okay, you have a 3 signal. Okay, P1, P2 and P3. Okay. So PT equals to P1 okay plus P2 minus P1 H T T minus A plus P3 minus P2 H T minus B. Okay. So what is P1? So P1 is 2. So 2 plus with P2. So P2 is 3, P1 is 2. So T minus 2 H T minus berapa? T minus 3. Okay. Plus with P3. So P3 is 1, P2 is T and B is 5. Okay. So 1 minus T H T minus 5. Okay, so you want to find the Laplace for this one. Okay. So PT plus with equals to okay, Laplace for 2 plus Laplace for T minus 2 H T minus 3, okay, plus with Laplace 1 minus T H T minus 5. Okay, so always remember that this part and this part, no. Okay, you have to find, you have to modify this part. Okay. Okay, so you have to modify this one so that this part will be t minus 3 and this part is t minus 5. Okay. Okay, so this one will be ps equals to Laplace for 2 is, look at this table is 2 over s. Okay. So here is 2 over s plus, okay, Laplace. This one you have to modify so that you can get t minus 2. You want minus 3, right? So this minus 2 you have to minus 1. Okay, then you have to plus with 1. So minus 1 plus 1 is actually 0. Betul?
Betul.
Betul tak? Okay. H t minus 3. Okay. So sama juga sebelah sini. Plus with Laplace. Okay. This part you have to modify so that you get t minus 5. Okay. Here you have minus t. So you keluarkan minus here. Okay. Then you have a t minus 1, right? T minus 1. Okay. To get minus 5, you have to minus with 4. If you minus 4, then you have to plus with 4. Okay. H t minus 5. Okay. So equals to 2 over s. Okay. Okay. So plus with Laplace. Okay. You have here is t minus 2 minus 1. So t minus 3. Okay. Plus with 1. H t minus 3. Okay. Then plus with, okay, you have Laplace minus this one t minus 1 minus 4 minus 5 plus 4 h t minus 5. Okay, up to this step ada soalan tak?
Madam,
Ya saya.
kenapa kan kan T tolak 2 tolak 1 tambah 1 tu kita tak kira semua sekali, macam kita kira satu-satu, 2 tolak 1 tambah 1, lepas tu baru tambahkan dengan 1. Kenapa tak calculate je terus?
Sebab saya nak tunjukkan macam mana the process kita nak dapatkan t minus, mana saya punya, sekejap mana saya punya ni? Okay.
Okay.
Nak dapatkan t minus 3. Macam mana kita nak dapatkan t minus 3 daripada t minus 2?
Oh,
daripada
so
t,
maknanya kita macam nak buktikan lah yang dekat H ni macam ni kita boleh dapat, macam tu.
saya nak saya cuma nak tunjukkan the process so you can understand step by step.
Oh, okay. Thank you, madam.
Sebab kalau saya langkau terus ke sini nanti you confuse pula kan?
Betul.
So step by step from t minus 2 you nak dapatkan minus 3 you kena minus with 1. Okay, so bila kita tambah 1, kita tambah minus 1 kita kena complementkan dia supaya dia kosong.
Oh, okay, madam. Thank you, madam.
Okay. Ada lagi soalan? Tak ada. Okay. Then, okay, kita dah sampai sini. So, you can see here we have t minus 3 plus 1, t minus 3. So, t minus 3, t minus 3. This one also we have t minus 5, t minus 5. Okay. So, we can group, okay. You can group like this. So this one and this one. Okay, then this one times this one, and then this one times with this one. Okay, so what you will get is 2 over s plus with Laplace, okay, t minus 3 h t minus 3, okay, plus with this one Laplace h t minus 3 times 1, so you have here h t minus 3, okay. Okay, this one also, this one times this one, and also times with this one. Okay, so you will get this one minus 10. So I bring minus to the outside, so minus Laplace, okay, t minus 5, h t minus 5, okay, and then minus with 4, okay, Laplace, this one 4, Laplace, h t minus 5. 4 kan? Okay. So equals to 2 over s. Okay, so this one we can use the shift theorem. Okay, so plus with exponent minus a is 3, so 3s. And then we can find the Laplace for this one.
T.
Laplace for t. Okay, plus with this one. Laplace for ht minus 3. You can get directly from the table, this one. Okay, exponent minus a over s. Okay, so this one will be, mana saya punya ni selalu hilang. Okay, exponent minus a is 3 s over s minus this one we will use the second shift theorem. So minus exponent minus 5s, and then you can find the Laplace for t also, because here is t, and then minus with 4, you have 4 here, ht minus 5, so ht minus 5, so exponent minus 5s over s. Okay, so what is the Laplace for t? You refer to this table, okay, it will be 1 over s square. Okay, so your answer will be ps equals to 2 over s plus with exponent minus 3s times with Laplace for t. Laplace for t is 1 over s square, right? Okay, and then plus with exponent minus 3s over s plus exponent minus 3s over s minus with exponent minus 5s Laplace for t, okay, times with 1 over s square, and then minus with 4 exponent minus 5s over s. Okay, then 2 over s plus exponent minus 3s over s square plus exponent minus 3s over s minus exponent minus 5s over s square minus 4 exponent minus 5s over s. Okay, base. Faham?
Faham.
Faham, senang je kan? Okay. Okay. Tak ada soalan eh? Okay, so kita tengok. Okay. Kalau tak ada saya terus lagi eh. Okay, next is ini macam yang kita buat tadi lah kan? Step of finding Laplace transform using second shift theorem. Yang ini. Dah terbalik dah sepatutnya ke depan kan. Okay, so first you have to write down the step function. Okay, sama macam tadi. Okay, so this one you have the step function. Okay, yang ini step function. Okay, and then you change this step function into the unit step function macam ni. Okay, and then okay, so you dapat macam ni. Okay, you kena modify so that you have this type of function t minus a, t minus a. Okay, mesti sama. Then baru you can use the second shift theorem to find the Laplace transform. Make sure to modify the unit step function that you get from the second step so that your t is equals to this one. Mesti sama. Okay? Okay. Ini satu contoh. Okay. So tadi yang senang kan? Okay, so this one you have a sin dengan cos. Okay, so actually sama juga. Okay, so you have a sin t here. Okay, you have to modify so that you can get t minus 2 pi. Okay. Okay, so look at this example. Okay, change the following step function to unit step and then find its Laplace transform. And then kita dapatkan dia punya Laplace transform. Okay. Okay, sorry. Kenapa ni? Okay, so kita tengok bahagian A. So ht equals to 1 minus sin t for t between 0 and 2 pi. And ht equals to cos t for t greater or equals than 2 pi. Okay, so we change these equations, this step function to the unit step. Okay. Okay, so ht. So we have here is ht equals to h1. So what is your h1? H1 is 1 minus sin t. 1 minus sin t, okay, plus with h2. H2 is cos t. Okay, so you have a cos t minus cos t minus this one minus 1 minus sin t. Okay, h t minus what? 2 pi. Okay. Faham eh? This one is h1 plus with h2 minus h1 times with ht minus a. Okay, sampai sini faham tak ni? Faham tak?
Baik doktor, faham.
Faham eh? Okay. So, we want to find the Laplace. Okay. So, okay. Sebelum tu 1 minus sin t plus okay, ht darabkan dengan semua yang kat dalam ni eh. So you have here cos t h t minus 2 pi. Okay, here is minus h t minus 2 pi times 1 Okay, this one minus minus, so plus sin t ish t minus 2 pi. Okay. Mama kelas tak habis lagi sayang. Okay. Sampai sini faham Okay.
Faham.
Faham Kejap Turun. Okay, so mana saya punya mama turun. Okay, turun. Okay, okay, lepas tu kita nak buat apa? Okay, so cos t sin t mesti sama dengan yang ini, t minus 2 pi. Okay, okay, so saya lukis kat sini dulu nanti saya padam. Okay, ini graf apa? This one. Okay, ini graf apa? Sin ke cos?
Cos.
This one cos t. This one sin. Okay, so this one 0 pi over 2 pi 3 pi over 2 2 pi sini 4 5 5 pi over 2 this one 3 pi this one 7 pi over 2 this one will be berapa? 4 pi. Okay, and this one 0 pi over 2 pi 3 pi over 2 2 pi 5 pi over 2 6 pi 6 pi pula 3 pi 3 pi. This one is 3, 7 pi over 2, 4 pi. Okay. Graph ni faham kan? Do you understand this graph? It's a very basic graph kan? Cos and sin. Faham tak? Faham kan graph ni kan? Kenapa diam je ni? Faham tak?
Faham, Doktor.
Faham Okay. So kalau faham, okay. Awak tengok dekat sini, you look at, mana saya punya ni selalu hilang. Okay. Look at here, t minus pi. We want t minus 2 pi. Okay. T minus 2 pi and this one also t minus 2 pi. So this one must be t minus 2 pi, t minus 2 pi. Okay. So kita tengok dekat sini. Okay. So this one your t. Okay. Ini 2 pi. Okay. So 2 pi which mean maksudnya one complete cycle. Right. You start from here. This one half cycle. This one full complete one cycle. Right. Am I right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, this sign also, this one half cycle, this one complete one cycle until 2 pi. Okay, so for any cos or sine signal that we shift to 2 pi, which means we shift the whole cycle. Maksudnya sama. Cos t is equals to cos t minus 2 pi. Okay, kalau tak percaya kan, you have here you have cos t. Okay, let's say t equals to pi. Okay, so t equals to pi, so cos pi is what? Cos pi is minus 1. Right, cos pi is minus 1, right? Okay, is cos t minus 2 pi. Okay, you have a cos pi minus 2 pi, you will get cos minus pi. Okay, so di sebelah sini kan? Tak nampak. Okay, so here. So minus pi here is a minus 1. So sama tak cos pi dengan cos minus pi? Sama. Okay, if you change t to 2 pi, okay, you will get cos 2 pi. Cos 2 pi is 1. Okay, if cos 2 pi minus 2 pi is cos 0. So cos 0 is 1. So sama. So you can write here is 1 minus sine t plus cos t is cos t minus 2 pi h t minus 2 pi. Okay, minus with h t minus 2 pi plus sine. This one also same. Okay. Okay, you look here is sine t. Okay. So if your t is equals to 2 pi, okay, so sine 2 pi is 0. Okay. So sine 2 pi is 0. Okay. If you want sine t minus 2 pi, okay. So your t now is 2 pi. So sine 2 pi minus 2 pi. So sine 0. Sine 0 is 0. Sama. Okay. So sine t minus 2 pi h t minus 2 pi. Okay. Faham tak? Faham tak? So actually cos t is equals to cos t minus 2 pi. And same goes to sine t. Sine t also equals to sine t minus 2 pi. Okay? Okay. So we're going to find the Laplace for this one. So we have here is ht equals to 1 minus sine t. 1 minus sine t, okay, plus cos t minus 2 pi h t minus 2 pi, okay, minus h t minus 2 pi plus sine t minus 2 pi h t minus 2 pi. Okay, so we find a Laplace for each. Okay, Laplace for 1 minus Laplace for sine t plus Laplace for cos t minus 2 pi h t minus 2 pi minus Laplace of h t minus 2 pi plus with sine h t minus 2 pi. Okay, so Laplace for ht is hs equals to Laplace for 1 is 1 over s minus Laplace for sine is a, 1 Laplace for sine is 1 over 1 over s square plus 1 square. Okay, plus with this one we can use the second shift theorem where your a is equals to 2 pi. So exponent minus 2 pi s, okay, times with Laplace of cos t, okay, minus with this one, okay, you can find from the Laplace table is exponent minus 2 pi s over s plus with this one use a second shift theorem, exponent minus 2 pi s, and then you find the Laplace for sine t. Okay, so your final hs will be 1 over s minus 1 over s square plus 1 plus exponent minus 2 pi s, and Laplace for cos is s over s square plus 1 minus exponent minus 2 pi s over s plus with exponent minus 2 pi s. Sin t is the Laplace for sin t is 1 over s square plus 1. Okay. Okay. Faham Okay, kalau tak faham nanti boleh tengok balik video ni. Okay, so saya stop dulu kot, dah pukul 4. Okay. Okay, so thank you very much. Okay, so see you all on Sunday. Okay, and by the time being, okay, I will upload the answer for your question, for your test question. Okay.
Okay, doctor. Thank you.
Okay.
So, doctor, I want to ask you.
Yes.
You already upload our marks?
Later, once I finish the class.
Oh, okay. Not yet the mark, right?
Pardon?
I said not yet the marks. You didn't upload yet.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, doctor. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.
Okay. Waalaikumsalam.
Thank you, Doctor.
Thank you, Doktor.
Thank you, Doctor.
Thank you, Doctor.
Okay.
Sure, Doctor.
Okay.
Doktor, saya nak tanya sikit boleh?
Ya, saya.
Untuk assignment group tu, soalan 4C dengan 4D tu tak belajar lagi. Jadi macam mana nak buat?
Kena cuba buat jugalah. Itu yang application
Application.
Application, itulah saya lagi sikit lagi topik nak sampai application. So by next week boleh kot, sempat kot.
Jadi report tu nak kena hantar minggu ni ke minggu depan?
Actually, saya tak kisah pun, saya tak rigid sangat berkenaan dengan tarikh akhir ni. As long as before study week.
Okay.
Okay?
Itu je. Terima kasih.
Okay, sama. Hafi kan? Tak boleh lah. Hafi. Assalamualaikum.